In this video, I will share 5 business ideas, which you can start with just under $500. And the businesses are unique and very easy businesses. You can start by doing a little research. And the best news is, you can do these businesses from your home. That is, you can do them online. If you search these businesses on the internet a little, you will see that these businesses will double in the coming years in 2025, 26, 27, and 2028. Those who enter these businesses now, they will achieve success very quickly. The 5 businesses that I will tell you here, I will tell you very briefly. Along with what you may need, what to work with, how to start, I will share them with you briefly. What you have to do is use the business idea that you can do from here. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe quickly. Because we share with you various earning sides and many beautiful motivational videos. The first business I will talk about is candle making. See, candle making is not just a hobby. Now it has become a profitable business. The demand for various types of candles like perfume candles, home decor candles, therapeutic candles, etc., is gradually increasing in our society. See, candles are a satisfying product, which gives people a lot of peace of mind, especially those who spend most of their time at home, or are busy with creative work, or those who are a little serious about home decoration will definitely buy these candles. The market size of this candle business is increasing by 20 to 25% every year. So it can be said that this business will be one of the most profitable businesses in the next 5 years. So I will tell you to start this business as soon as possible. The next business is jewelry making. Jewelry making business is a growing industry where it is possible to earn profit along with creativity. Currently, the number of fashionable and handmade jewelry is increasing day by day. So it can be said that a business is being created here. Currently, if you notice one thing, you will see that the number of cosmetics in e-commerce markets is increasing day by day. And the reason for this is, our society, everyone likes to show off their beauty. Especially in the case of girls, when they go to decorate themselves a little, they need different types of jewelry. So you can use this opportunity to create a jewelry making business. You may need about $500 to start this business. But you have to keep in mind that its profit is very high. Since we are sharing some business ideas in this video briefly, so I am not saying anything in details. If you want something in details about this, you can comment on it. I will come up with details based on your comments. The next business is organic soap making. Nowadays, people are very health conscious and they also care a lot about their skin. People now understand very well with the help of online that various chemical soaps are available in the market. How harmful they are for their skin. So people will try very hard to find organic soap from now on. And a big business is being created in this place. No matter what you think, people will now be more interested in skin-friendly and customized soap made of natural ingredients. So you can start this business. The first thing to do is decide what kind of soap you will make first. Then you will find the things that are necessary to make soap by searching on YouTube, and you will find them available in your market. I can guarantee that this business will be so big in the next 10 years that it will beat your imagination. And personally, I am starting this business. The next business is handmade crafts. Look, nowadays people want home decor, gift items, or accessories, these kinds of things. If it is handmade, then it is better. The first thing you need to do for this is to decide what kind of handmade product you will make first. And for this, you will need cloth, paint, gum, pieces of wood, and other materials. There are many videos on YouTube about these. You just go to YouTube and search for how to make handmade products. Then, thousands of videos will come in front of you. This business will grow in a while, but even if this business grows slowly, it will become much bigger at some point. Then the 5th business is woodworking business. Woodworking is a much discussed and growing business, which is rising day by day, where unique and natural products made of wood are popular all over the world. such as wooden home decor, furniture, or other furniture. These fall under woodworking. Many beautifully designed wooden chairs, tables, cupboards, etc. The demand for these is increasing day by day among us. People no longer like those traditional style furniture of the past. So if you can make wooden furniture and can give unique designs, then this business can become the best business of your life for you. And before starting this business, I will request you, give training for 1 to 3 months in any place. Then start this business. Comment on today's video and tell me how the business ideas are. And yes, if you want videos on these in detail, then definitely comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.